It's just too cool. I'll be Paris Hilton. Say hi. Say hi.
Say what?
Hi.
How's it going?
Stop picking your nose. It's up there. Ew. Freak. Okay, my arm is getting tired from being raised like that. I can flare my nostrils. Be nice. Okay, how do you shut it off? This is us in color. See that red hair? See it, see it, see it. And my brown roots. Looks fabulous. He really doesn't smell like that. You have too much fun with the Zoom stuff there, baby. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I got a big head. I do. You got something on your eye still. There we go. There's a fuzz. You ever see the Britney and Kevin Chaotic show?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was Britney Spears and Kevin, and they like had a camera with everything except for sex, I think. But they probably had it then too. They just couldn't show it. Don't do anything. Sorry about that. You're going to be a dork and stop it. No. You're not allowed anymore. Haha. Oh. Derek. Talk. Me. People need to believe that you talk. You do. I know you do. I've heard it. At least say goodbye.
Good morning.
Must you be? He's camera shy. What am I gonna do? Wait, you dare me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. He knew I was gonna do it. I have way too much fun with this thing. Stop that! Be nice, or I'll fart on your face.
Yeah.
Me. Okay, bye. Bye, bye, bye.